Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE 6-inch bowl chrome rear bubble part #WB32X5075. The GE 6-inch bowl chrome rear bubble part #WB32X5075 is a replacement part for a range or oven. It is a chrome-plated bowl that fits in the rear of the oven and is designed to catch any spills or splatters that may occur during cooking. The bowl has a 6-inch diameter and is made of durable chrome-plated steel. It also features a bubble design that helps to prevent food from sticking to the sides of the bowl. This part is an OEM, original equipment manufacturer, part and is designed to fit specific GE models. It is important to check your model number before. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part does not fix any symptoms. It is a replacement bowl for a GE 6-inch chrome rear bubble. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the dishwasher at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the existing bowl by unscrewing it from the mounting bracket. 3. Place the new bowl in place and secure it with the screws provided. 4. Reconnect the power to the dishwasher at the circuit breaker. 5. Test to make sure that everything is working properly before using your dishwasher again. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.